Welcome back. Today we will discuss about another component called ALU, that is arithmetic and logic unit. We will discuss in detail about ALU and we will study the functions of ALU, which is one of the important component of the CPU which do all the processing. An ALU is a digital circuit used to perform arithmetic and logic operations. It represents the fundamental building block of the CPU. Modern CPUs contain very powerful and somewhat complex ALUs to perform various operations. Now we will see the working of ALU. Most of the operations of a CPU are performed by one or more ALUs which load data from input registers. The control unit tells the ALU what operation to be performed, which is known as opcode, on what data, that is the operand, and the ALU stores the result in an output register. Here in the figure we can see there are two operands A and B are loaded into the ALU, and also we are giving the input as status as well as the opcode. Opcode tells what operation to be performed. For example, addition can be performed on the operands A and B, so it will give an instruction like add, then the result will be stored in an output register. The ALU may produce another status signals for further considerations. So this is an example for the ALU operation. Next, we will see what are the functions of ALU. Normally, arithmetic and logic units has various numbers of basic arithmetic and bitwise logic functions. General purpose ALUs usually include operations like arithmetic operations, logic operations, bit shift operations, and also bitwise logic operations. Now we will discuss in detail about these operations. Arithmetic operations normally include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, comparison, etc. But normally ALU will perform addition and subtraction. Sometimes multiplication and division are also used as separate components. Since these operations are very expensive to make, we can done the multiplication and division by repetitive addition and subtraction. Some common arithmetic operations that an ALU can perform include addition, subtraction, increment, decrement, etc. Next one is logical operations. The ALU support the comparison operations like greater than, less than, equal to, etc. And it can also be used for bit shift operations. Bit shift operations cause the operand to shift left or rightwards. Simple ALUs can shift operands by only one bit position, whereas more complex ALUs can shift many bits at a time. Next one is bitwise logical operations. These are used for performing logical operations like and, or, not, etc. We have discussed about the major functions of ALU, but ALU also acts as a gateway between primary storage and secondary storage. That is, data transferred between them passes through the ALU. ALU is one of the most important components of computing circuits like CPUs and GPUs. GPU means the graphical processing unit, which is a special purpose central processing unit, especially for graphics usage. And ALU has a variety of input and output electrical connections that helps to convey digital signals between the ALU and external electronics. So these are the functions of ALU, and general ALUs usually have status signals such as carry out, zero, negative, overflow, etc. As we have seen by the example, after the completion of each ALU operation, the status output signals were in external registers that are known as flags. When the operation becomes more complex, then the ALU also becomes more expensive and takes up more space in the CPU and also produces more heat. That's why ALUs are powerful enough to ensure that the CPU is fast but not so complex to be expensive. Thank you all. I hope you understand the concept of ALU, and this may also be asked separately, so prepare it accordingly.